How to watch Naruto Shippuden in English. So let's get started. Firstly, open your desktop and visit any web browser. Now, on your web browser in the search address bar, go to the Crunchyroll's website or simply download the app on a device. Once you're inside the Crunchyroll, make sure you have logged into your Crunchyroll account. Then, once logged into the account, tap on the search address bar at the top right corner of your screen and search for the Naruto Shippuden. Then, simply tap on the enter. Now, all you have to do is look at the episode list. But if only the Japanese version with subtitle is available, the English dubbed version might not be offered in your region, then you can simply consider using a VPN. Or you can also get the premium version of Crunchyroll in order to get the English dubbed content. If English dubs are available, select the audio or language option on the player interface and choose English from there. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.